Introduction. Why remove duplicates in Excel?
Duplicate data can cause confusion and errors in your spreadsheets. Learning how to quickly find and remove duplicates helps keep your information clear and accurate. In this guide, you'll discover the easiest built-in tools in Excel to identify and delete duplicate values, saving you time and headaches on common data cleaning tasks.
Select your data range.
Start by selecting the range of cells where you want to remove duplicates. This could be a single column, multiple columns, or an entire table. To quickly highlight everything, click any cell inside your data and use Ctrl-A on your keyboard. Make sure your range includes all relevant data to avoid missing any duplicate entries.
Use the Remove Duplicates tool.
Excel's built-in Remove Duplicates tool is fast and simple. With your data highlighted, go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click Remove Duplicates. A window will appear, allowing you to select which columns to check for duplicates. By default, all columns are selected. Click OK to let Excel scan and remove duplicate rows.
Review the results.
The remaining data contains only unique entries. If you realize you made a mistake, use the Undo button to restore your original dataset instantly. Double-check your clean data to confirm your spreadsheet is now free from duplicates.
Tips and best practices.
Before removing duplicates, always save a copy of your original data. This extra step protects against accidental data loss. For more advanced needs, consider using Excel's conditional formatting feature to highlight potential duplicates before deletion. Regularly cleaning your data ensures accuracy, improves efficiency, and makes your spreadsheets easier to manage.